I think there can be a misnomer that there are jobs that are stable and there are jobs that are unstable. And I know that when I went into music, my parents and grandparents thought that that was an unstable job. What you wanted to do is go and get a stable job. But as I've actually seen in my own family and obviously with other people, there's no such thing as a stable job. There's either a job that you're good at or there's a job that you're not. And the jobs that you're good at, you're usually good at it because you're passionate about it and you put the time into it. That's what worked for me. So what I've found out is when you're passionate about something, when you truly love it and you put the time into it to hone your craft and to build your reputation and to build your Rolodex, you end up being successful. And if this job doesn't work out, there's 20 other jobs that you can go and do. I've had a lot of people who've done corporate jobs and they've worked at a place for 5 years, 10 years, and then there's a change in leadership or a change in technology, and all of a sudden those jobs are gone. So I don't know that music is any more stable or unstable than anything else.